Hello, it's Tuesday, March the 15th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened against the other major currencies amid fears over the impact on the global economic recovery from Friday's devastating earthquake and tsunami in Japan. NASDAQ and Dow Jones decreased by 0.54% and 0.43% respectively. Crude remained almost unchanged, rising by 3% to $101.19 a barrel. Gold strengthened by 0.2% to close at $1,424.90 an ounce. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to remain at 0.25%. The euro rose for a second day against the dollar after European leaders agreed to widen the scope of a rescue fund set up to help deal with the region's sovereign debt crisis. The euro-dollar's momentum is bullish as long as the rate is above 139 and above the 20-moving average on the daily chart. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 139.04 and a high of 140.03. Today, German economic sentiment is expected to rise from 15.7 to 16.2. The pound rose versus the dollar after Fitch Ratings said the UK should keep its top credit, citing the government's efforts to reduce the budget deficit. Next resistance on the 1-hour chart is at 162. If the pair breaks above this level, the pound will continue bullish. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 160.27 and a high of 161.99. No economic data is expected today. The yen fell versus the other major pairs, reversing earlier gains as the Bank of Japan took unprecedented action to boost market liquidity following Friday's earthquake and tsunami. The interest rate remained at 0.10%. The dollar-yen's momentum is still bearish due to the situation, with the pair probably remaining unstable for the next few days. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.27 and a high of 82.44. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This weakened against most of the other major currencies as oil fluctuated over concern factories in Japan will shut down following the country's strongest earthquake. The dollar CAD is struggling at 0.97. If the pair breaks below this, the CAD will be more attractive. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9710 and a high of 0.9764. Today, labour productivity is expected to rise from 0.1% to 0.3%. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.